Hey guys, Adrian here for DigitalDojos.com, and today we're going to be reviewing Hyperlapse. Hyperlapse is Instagram's latest application that they just released today that allows you to create amazing time-lapse videos using Instagram's in-house stabilization video technique and engine here. So it's a really great way to shoot time-lapse videos simply and easily, and it's completely free. You can actually head over to the App Store today and start searching it. If it doesn't show up in your App Store yet, when you search Hyperlapse, what you may want to do is head over to and search Instagram, and once you go to Instagram here, go to the very bottom of the page here, you'll see developer apps, and you'll see Hyperlapse from Instagram. So it's a great companion piece of that. So I'm going to go ahead and open it here. I know you just see a black screen right now. I just want to kind of show you a preview around the app because really there's just one button. There's just the record button. You simply tap it, no need to hold. As soon as you start doing it, it starts recording and it translates your time. So it shows you the duration you've been recording, and then the arrow converts it to the time or seconds that would be in a time lapse. So 7 seconds may be equivalent to 1 second. But then you can go ahead and change this. So what I'm going to do is hit stop here, and you can see here it shows you a new interface. It shows you the ability to save in the top right, the ability to exit or edit later in the top left, and the very bottom here it gives you a slider which you can use to adjust here. So you can adjust from anywhere from the normal speed of 1 second or 1 time speed all the way up to 12 times speed. So that you can adjust your time lapse depending on how you want to do it. In a 15-second clip, for example, in 12 times will become 1 second. And obviously at 1 time speed, that would be 15 seconds. So you can hit exit in the top right to edit later and or delete your hyperlapse. And let's go ahead and record a test hyperlapse here. So obviously you can get really creative with this. You are only limited by your imagination when it comes to these things. I'm just gonna do a test here, and since it's 4 a.m. here, I'm gonna go ahead and shoot on Google Maps. So I'm gonna hit record here. And keep in mind, and this is all handheld, I'm just doing this with my hand. I'm just holding it here, and I'm using my right hand to navigate around Google Maps here. I'm just looking around the area, and the whole time it's just recording this clip here. So I'm just clicking around and navigating the area here. So I'm looking around, and again, just simple. If you want to tap to focus on the screen, you just tap anywhere on the screen, and that will allow you to focus on a certain point in the screen here. So now that I got the footage I want, I simply hit stop, and it's gonna go ahead and process that, and you can see here it is at 6 times speed. Again, just looking around at the place, and I can increase that if I want it to be faster. I can slow it down if I only want it to be 4 times. And once I'm finished here, I simply hit the check mark in the top right. It's going to go ahead and process it. It's going to ask you for access to your camera roll if you haven't given it access, and you're good to go. And from there, it's saved in your camera roll. You can share it out to Facebook or Instagram, or you can go about just shooting a new hyperlapse. Again, really super simple user interface. It speeds up your hyperlapse up to 12 times speed. It automatically stabilizes your video, it crops it, and you can see this in an example here. If I was to go ahead and shoot another test one, so I'm just going to shoot a test thing right here and hit stop, you can see if I tap it here, I'm going to go ahead and put it at 1 speed. If I tap it here, if I hold, you'll see the unstabilized version. It's much more zoomed out, and if I let go, it kind of crops in. That's how it achieves that level of stabilization. So even if your hand's a little bit shaky when you're holding it with just one hand, it's going to go ahead and do its best to crop that out and stabilize the video and make it a much more smoother and overall effect. Again, really simple, completely free, so that's the best part about it. Overall, I have to say 2 thumbs up. Definitely worth downloading. It's a great companion piece to your Instagram 15-second videos or just videos in general. If you want to capture really creative time lapses, Hyperlapse is the app to do it. Check it out in the App Store today. Hey guys, thanks a lot for watching that video, and I hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Also, you can check out all of our social links and other links around this screen all over here. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next video.